Hey guys, it's Tracy with Deadly Decoys. We are out here duck hunting today. I want to show you our duck flyer. So when you take it out of the package, it's just like this. I just took this one up for the hunt. To set it up, you have a little wing spar here, and then if you can see inside, there's that little plastic nipple right there. This fiberglass piece goes inside there on both sides. So you take it, put the one side in, and put the other side in. Now you got yourself a mallard, Drake mallard. We've also got hen mallards. Same deal. You can see there's this plastic nipple in the support. This wing spar goes in that plastic nipple. That plastic nipple right there. So in she goes. In she goes. And now we got our hen mallard. Now, these go on our flyer pole kits. So I will get you the arm of one of those. So this is the bouncer arm that fits in our pole, and this adapter on the end here, the stake fits right in there and fits like that. Now this is a duck's view coming in from downwind. See how they move side to side into the wind? Killer on ducks over water.